Hey folks, how you doing? So today we're going to do a product review. This little welder here, remember, don't judge a book by its cover. Don't judge the performance of this welder because it's a small welder. I've been doing welding all my life, and I'm used to welding with those Lincolns and all those good welders. This here, if you're like a do-it-yourself at home, not a obviously if you're not doing this as a living, doing welding every day, obviously this is not the product for you. But I'm already, tinkering at home with stuff. I don't do this for a living anymore. So I'm just giving you guys my honest review based on what I've been doing with this welder and the reason I bought it. First and foremost, I bought it because it's easy to carry around to do small jobs. I could take it with me. It's basically, I would say it's less than a foot length, and you can tell by looking at it here. And it's a great welder. I'm going to go ahead and do a couple of little small demonstrations so you can see the performance and judge for yourself. I'm giving it honestly a huge good 2 thumbs up review because I have been using it for, I would say, over a year and a half, maybe two. I bought it through Amazon. We are an affiliate partner of Amazon. Anything you purchase through our links, we get a small commission, but at no extra cost to you. So please check it out, and hopefully you'll like the review and reach out and purchase this. This is like under 40 bucks, believe it or not, under 40 bucks. But baby, right here.
Thank you, thank you.
Hi folks, how you doing? Sergio and Janine, thank you. Welcome to our channel. It's probably the cost of the stick welders. The welding for your welder. That's possibly what you're going to end up paying. We went ahead, and this here comes with this cheap. Obviously it's very cheap, but then again, this is do-it-yourself projects. You don't want to spend $1 million, or you're somewhere and you don't want to carry the big welder with you. Just buy this and you can do a small odd jobs. So we're going to go ahead and review it, and it comes with some welding sticks, but it's only a few. I went out after we used all those, and we purchased at Harbor Freight. We bought these, and they've been working really good. So let's go ahead and move along, and let's see how this thing works, okay? Okay, this is not a welding tutorial by no means. This is a product review. So we're gonna go ahead and get started over here. We're gonna grind that. That's for a good ground. I want to get a good ground hole. Okay, let's give it a try over here. It's a little too hot. Just to look at what we're dealing with here. You see how it melts? I mean, the intensity of it is just perfect. I mean, we're basically welding a 1/8 of an inch plate to this post, which is thinner. Obviously, it opened a hole. Remember, this is not a welding tutorial. This is for you guys to see that it's able to do the job. I'm going to take this off here now, since I already tacked it, and we're going to go ahead and finish this. I'm going to go ahead and try to put the rod on the thicker 1/8 of an inch to avoid another melt through here. So let's go ahead and do that. So that's over an inch. So we're going to go ahead and let's see the quality of the weld. Look at the quality of the weld, guys. Look at that. Not bad for, I think it's $37. Remember, we're not here discussing which welder is the best welder in the world. No, we're discussing, and what this review is about is which welder does the most for the least amount of money. And this is obviously my opinion. I've been using the welder for numerous jobs, and it's been working for me for quite a while, and I'm able to review it. I don't just put something on YouTube and tell folks, hey, buy it. No, I'm reviewing this stuff. I'm letting you guys know, hey, is it worth the money? Is it something that you're going to be able to do? Yes, it does quality work. It does work, and it's quality. Now, is this something that I'm going to be doing, working at a job for 12 hours, 10 hours steady? No, it's not. It's not going to last that. I'm going to go ahead and set up this here, and let's see what happens, okay? So we did this already, and you see the quality. It's good quality. I'm going to put that down, and I'm going to go ahead. Let me turn it off, just so you guys see how it looks when it's on. Right here, I lowered it a little while ago, but when you do lower it, if you're going with really thick metal, it kind of sticks a lot because obviously you need more current. But it's 254 amps. That's a lot for this little baby. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off now, because I'm going to go ahead and do some grinding, because I'm going to get some other metal ready, and we're going to go ahead and do another weld here. Okay, we're going to do our other weld here. We're doing the 3/16 pipe. Well, actually, this is an 1/8 of an inch pipe to a 3/16, over 250 amps. Okay, so there I went over an inch, non-stop, and let's see what happens here. Now, whoever's watching, tell me if that's not a good weld. Look how it melted both metals evenly. That's a good solid weld there. And remember, we're not doing welding 101 tutorials. We're doing a review on the machine, okay? So it has enough amps to melt the rod and heat the surface enough where that's what a weld is. When you have enough temperature to actually melt the surface and bond metal. That's what this is about. And if you look at it, I would say that's an A+ right there. And it's actually a nice looking weld. It might not be straight, but hey, like I said, this is we're doing a review. Okay, I lowered the amps to 183. Let's see what happens. I raised it a little. There you go. Yeah, it's too hot. Surprises me. It's almost like too hot, and I'm at 183. I'm going to put it at 145. Yeah, it's even hot there. See, it melts perfect. There's almost too much heat. I did lower it a little bit, but you can say that it's a good welder. It does what it's supposed to, and I would say practice is going to make you a much better welder. And at the same time, you don't have to blow the budget. So I hope this video works for you. Thanks for watching.